The opening match of the women's division in the volleyball tournament of Your Diamond Season 75 UAAP. Now let's meet the protagonists for match number 1. Starting for this year's hosts, the National University Lady Bulldogs. Number 2, Ivy Perez. Number 16, Team Captain Dindin Santiago. Number 4, Mina Aganon. Number 8, Kai Nepomuceno. Number 1, Desiree Dadam. Number 11, Myla Pablo. A libero of the Lady Bulldogs is number 12, Chen Reyes. And head coach Francis Vicente. And now, starting for next season's UAAP hosts, Adamson Lady Falcons. Number 9, Faye Guevara. Number 1, Bips Pineda. Number 14, May Macatuno. Number 2, Team Captain Paul Soriano. Number 6, Amanda Villanueva. Number 5, Mayet Zapanta. Their libero is number 11, Princess Listana. And new head coach of the Lady Falcons, Sherwin Meneses.
Your Lady Falcons and your Lady Bulldogs are on the court today. Opening day of season 75 of the UAAP's volleyball tournament. I like the new font. Ginamit natin sa ating graphics, ha? As you can see, yung 6 of NU and 6 of Adamson on the floor. Not much has changed actually for either team except for the familiar names, some of them nawala. But the big addition, literally, para sa NU with Dindin Santiago on the floor, number 16.
Definitely Dindin Santiago. I'm sure it's not only Dindin who's really anticipating the CC75, but all the supporters of the NU Lady Bulldogs as well. Talagang I'm sure they cannot wait to see this.
Tumawin mo yung bola, hindi paluin mo lang agad. Nandun yung block eh. Talagan mo sa taas. Isa-isa lang. Save lang muna tayo. Save lang, May. Save mo lang. Iganun mo lang. Hindi mo narinig. Nakasan niyo yung boses niyo para magkarinigan kayo. Isa lang, isa. Sundan niyo yung tao niyo. Sundan niyo. Service. Ba't yun ang service mo? Kaya siya sa service kasi pagka meron sila binibigay ng PDLD. Service nila maganda. Pero kaya pa yan. Isang set pa lang ang pinanalo nyo, hindi pa kayo nanalo ng 3 set. Okay? Wala na naman pawis, oh. Kasi yan, sinyalis na nagre-relax. Let's go, ingay! Receive kayo, wala tayo receive. National. Ivy, gawa mo ng paraan yan. Bantay na bantay sa ibig yan eh. Okay? Bakit nag-dump set kayo? Ginalito mo kamay. Napunatin mo! Pinabago mo yung set mo. Ganda-ganda ng per set. Napunatin mo! Taas mo, 6-1 oh! I-receive natin, ayusin natin. Malubaluktot eh. Let's go, national. Patapos yan ha. Kaya pa habulin yan.
Everybody was really focused on the center attacker and the open hitter for the Lady Falcons.
Not a good reception and a set para sa NU.
Pablo. Villanueva was there.
That was too high para kay Guevara, but she's able to tip it over. Santiago!
Sa'yo yun. Gitnang-gitna yun eh. Basta Hintayin mo kasi kagad yung nagsiservice. Tama sila pumupunto sa service, ay imbis tayo pumunta sa service, sila tayo pinupunto sa... Tara! Walang step tayo, isang step! Tara, isa lang.
Ramil De Jesus, head coach of the DLSU Lady Spikers. Seeing action bukas, ano? Bukas
That's
pa-
right.
bukas
And
pa sila.
well, he's early already scouting the opponents.
Against UST, second game tomorrow. That's going to be a big one.
Perez with another really needs to concentrate on the first ball just to make sure that things are easy for their setter.
21, serving 17.
Well, this one's better off. Let's see Pablo. Pao Soriano off the
Oh,
block.
wow. Soriano against the blockers. This time she powers it through and bounces it off the blockers. 22-17. Napatawag na naman ang timeout. Ating birthday boy, Coach Vicente, will listen to NU.
Paano yung kalaban ninyo? Kaagad gusto nyo lang tututin yung bola. Hindi nyo iniisip yung ginagawa nyo sa loob eh. Nalamangan lang kayo ng ilan. 5 lang yan. Tapos na ba yan? Hindi pa naman tapos eh. Anong problema? Anong problema? Ha? Hindi ka ba pwedeng masaktan? Go. National, dalihin mo. Dalihin mo. Tayo na. Hoy! Tumayo ka dyan. Ayaw mo na ba? O, baka nakatungo ka na. Bawi lang.
Layo pa yan.
Malayo pa yan, 12 pa lang. Patay muna natin. Ha? Isang receive lang muna.
Kaya nandun. Teka na nyo, te.
Diyos ko naman. Kayo magkasama, maglaro lang kayo. Hindi mo kaya receive SS? Sabihin mo para masab natin kay Pao. Eh, pilit tayo ng pilit sa'yo eh. Kaya pa yan, sige, tuloy. Eh, sobra-sobra yung set mo rito eh. Tapos mo ng konti. Okay? Intindihan? Gusto niya tirik. Hindi niya gusto yung lampas ng antena. Ilang puntos yung nagawa? 3. Tama na yan, ha? Pinaalala ko dyan sa score na yan, ha? Diyan tayo nadali, ha? National. Be quick. Okay? Huwag ka manatili sa A open. Huli na yan. Be quick. High ball ka kasi kaya nahuhuli ka sa bola, eh. Nahuhuli ka ng vlogger, eh. Oh. Gawin mong 3. 3. Be quick. Tumalo ka sa bola. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Be quick, ha? Tumalo ka. 3. Palo ka sa dulo. Lagay mo yung bola sa sontong. National, kaya mo?
Yeah!
National.
Yeah!
Strategizing a new offense, at least here in the 5th set, is Coach Vicente. 9-7 National University, set number 5.
This reception from Linden Santiago. Don't look now, but the Lady Falcons inching closer. Just Lady Falcons still have Pao Soriano at the front line, and I think they should maximize on this rotation. Pineda serving. Serve is safely over. Communication from the Lady Bulldogs. Not the best of times to have that.
10 all, set 5. Again, unforced errors para sa NU. They can't really get it under control. While para sa Adamson, they need every break they can get, and they're getting the breaks.
We're now tied 10 all. Pineda just needs to put this through.
It seemed like NU had all the energy and momentum coming into set 5, pero Adamson is turning things around. but not by their own doing. Daming errors na naman itong NU. Soriano tips it over and scores. Gives Adamson the lead by 1-11, 10-1. A huge turn of events in favor of the Lady Falcons.
Pao Soriano just playing smart here in the 5th set. Using her brains and not all power. Pineda again with the serve. Oh, this is miscommunication. Not the best of times to do that. Pao Soriano tips it over once again. And nobody from the Lady Bulldogs even attempted for that one, Eric.
And when you have Pao Soriano in the middle and you're on defense, you should know that's part of her arsenal.
Yes.
Is to drop it in the middle.
Exactly.
Dapat bantayan nyo na yun at bantayan nyo yung sides. Because Santiago is in the middle anyway. She can guard one-on-one itong si Soriano. And ito si Coach Vicente. We'll talk, we'll listen in.
Trabaho mo dyan, depensa. Kung depensa ka, wala kang iintindihin. Huwag mo sila tingnan. Do or die. You have to get the ball. That's it, period. Wala kang iisipin kung hindi mo depensa. Let's go. Ayun. May tingnan to, Tegon.
Cardiente was put in for Nepomuceno for defensive
For
purposes.
defense, right.
She got an earful from Coach Vicente because of the lapses in defense, especially the last point. Ball went down in the middle, coming from Pao Soriano.
And if you remember, that tip was actually not a fast one, you know? Mataas pa nga siya eh.
Mataas. Hindi siya
Right.
mababa, hindi quick. Somebody could have caught it if
Exactly.
somebody went for it.
But everybody just looked at
Exactly.
it. Let's see what the Lady Bulldogs will do for this time.
Villanueva backs away. Perez.
They go to Dindin who tips it. Portel was there. They go to Villanueva once again, hitting it. Oh, no one saved it from the Lady Bulldogs.
Was a net violation on NU anyway, even if the ball fell down on their side.
The Lady Falcons all aggressive here in the 5th set.
But it seemed like it was off Villanueva, yung pagtama sa
Yeah.
net, ano? But the breaks, again, that are needed by Adamson are going their way. 13-10, 5th set lang po tayo.
Let's see if NU can narrow down the lead of Adamson.
Chance of Adamson from the fans inside the arena. Santiago is blocked, and it's match point for Adamson. The smile on Pao Soriano's face.
Well, she really worked hard for this one
Oh,
here
she
in this
did all
set.
the damage
Definitely.
in set 5.
Pineda now for the serve.
Perez, they go to Dindin. Off the tape of the net. Adamson can close it out
Pao
here.
Soriano!
Yes, they do! What an unbelievable turn of events in the first game of season 75 of the UAAP's volleyball tournament.
Oh, it's the Lady Falcons led by Pao Soriano, working very hard here in set number 5.
And take a look at the jubilant Lady Falcons, and rightfully so, as they were the underdogs coming into this match against the highly favored hosts, the Lady Bulldogs of National University. But against all odds, they pull out a 5-set win against National University, and there is the confirmation of the 5 sets.
Very exciting match indeed, and we have to give our hats off, of course, to the Lady Falcons. Like you've said, they came from behind, definitely the underdogs, and this was not really one of the best games that they've had, but still, they emerged as the winner.